All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and plant out the rest of the raised garden bed. As you remember, we planted the potatoes. They've recovered and are starting to look pretty good. But like I said before, I wanna have some pollinators in the front, and then we'll get this cattle panel on the back side and put in some beans. As for our pollinators, I do have a couple to choose from. We do have some nasturtium, some sweet alyssum. This is the royal carpet. It's the purple one. Peony. These flowers do get big, so I probably won't use those guys. And then we do have this wildflower low growing mix, and they do germinate or bloom really quick, so I might use those. And then we have some bachelor buttons, pretty simple, also pretty quick to bloom. But like I said, I'll have those in the front of the raised garden bed right here. Nasturtium I already have in the garden. We have some right here. I believe this is the same kind as that one that I just showed you. And then over here, I do have some sweet alyssum. This is the white variety, and it's doing really good next to our pear tree, but I wanna get the other one because it will have purple flowers. So that most likely is what I will do. Like I said, I'm gonna trench this out, put in some of those seeds, and I might just mix in the alyssum with the wildflowers. And then on the back side, we have a couple choices for beans. I'll just grab these really quick. We have some sugar snap peas, we have some cow peas, and then we have some royal burgundy bush beans. These ones, typically you wanna wait till the end of spring, if not summer, before you plant these, so I might hold off on those. And these sugar snap peas, I don't think are gonna trellis the cattle panel, so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and use the cow peas for this one and just plant them in. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the panel on the back fence, and then we'll plant all this stuff in. All right, the back trellis is in. We're gonna go ahead and plant this out now. Just spread these beans throughout this trough, and then we'll see where they go. But I think that's a good amount, so we'll go ahead, close this off, and just pack it in. Pat it down, and then we'll come back and water this once we get the flowers in as well. The last thing we'll do is just plant out these wildflower seeds. So I have a handful. I'm just gonna start at this corner of the bed and just kind of slowly go through this trough. And these guys will grow pretty quick, so trying to spread it as evenly as possible, but we'll see how that goes. And we'll just stop right there. And then the rest of these I'll actually just take and kind of throw over here with the pear tree. Let's see what happens with that. Take some dirt really quick. Just cover these seeds. And that's really as simple as that. I don't even need to pat this down. I could just throw some seed in, they'll do fine. But once we do that, I can come back over here, cover our seeds really quick, give it a nice pat, and then I will water this in. Actually, let me go ahead and grab some soil. Just cover that. That's pretty much it. I do have some lettuce that's in the grow room right now, so we will put that on the right side. Once those get a little bit bigger, I'll divide those out and then I'll plant those. And then I am gonna start some more broccoli and cauliflower. So maybe at the end of March, we'll have something to plant in here. But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave a like, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.